Hi, I'm Jason with Solutions Pest and Lawn, and this is Pest Support, where you ask the questions and we give the answers. Our question today is, why does spraying ants not work? First thing most people do when they see an ant trail is spray them with an insecticide. But then a day or two later, there are more ants in different areas, making your ant problem worse. Spraying the ants you see is never a viable option for a couple reasons. When you spray an ant trail, you may be killing the ants that the spray comes in contact with, but what you're also doing is disrupting the pheromone trail that they use to travel together. When the trail is disrupted, the ants will splinter and bud off. They will then either create new satellite colonies or find new areas to travel. Think of spraying an ant trail like fighting a mythical hydra. You cut the head off, but two more pop up in its place. And another reason the spray won't work is the spray will not reach the queen. The queen ant is responsible for creating more ants, and they will be tucked safely deep within their nest. When treating for ants, you're going to want to use a high-quality lethal bait like Anthrax ant bait, and also use a non-repellent systemic barrier like Fipro aerosol. And these products work together by having the ants unknowingly come into contact with the Fipro on their way to get the bait. They'll return to the nest to share the lethal bait and transfer the Fipro insecticide, leading to total colony elimination. I'm Jason with Solutions Pest and Lawn, and this is Pest Support. If you have any pest control questions you need answers to, or have any pest-related problems you need help with, stop by one of our stores, visit our website, or give us a call and get help today. The other reason the spray won't work is because it doesn't reach the queen. The queen ant will the queen ant is responsible for it's a tongue twister for me.